Callista E-Systems, Electronic Laboratory Notebook for Scientists. Callista E-Systems Electronic Laboratory Notebook is a web application accessed from anywhere using Internet Explorer. Access to E-Systems is completely secure with an encrypted SSL connection. Authentication to an account can be obtained through a centralized MS Active Directory or E-Systems LDAP server. Now we'll show how to quickly obtain previously recorded data using text search. E-Systems indexes all text information upon entry into the system and allows searching using a Google-like tool. The user enters a term of interest. E-Systems shows where it is found. In this case, the term is the name of an attachment. E-Systems highlights the location where this search term is found. Here is another example using text search with a less specific search term. The search term was found in titles of 3 different experimental sessions. Representative chromatograms can be easily reviewed with one simple click. Note that any supportive information, such as experimental conditions, can be included in whatever format is convenient to use. Next, we will demonstrate how easy it is to navigate an experiment. E-Systems utilizes the session list for this purpose. The session list displays all experiments as sessions from all projects to which a user has access. The session list can be filtered by terms found in the session name. The session list displays the status of the experiment and controls what actions can be performed. In this case, the session is ready for review, the reviewer is Melissa, and the current user can only view the session. The session list can also be filtered by project. Again, this list is limited to projects to which a user has access. Filter parameters can be combined to narrow search results. In this example, only completed sessions for this particular project are displayed. Additionally, this session list results can be sorted according to any criteria displayed. Filter parameters can be saved into pre-designed user-specific settings. In this case, My Sessions is a list that only displays sessions belonging to the current user. When a session of interest is filtered, actions performed by the user are still tightly controlled by E-Systems. In this case, the user can either perform data collection or view the session. Query is a data mining tool available in E-Systems used to find structured data. The following demonstration uses an example query called vectors. This query returns a list of all vectors in E-Systems registered by users. The output of any query can be filtered, similar to session list. The vector map can be easily obtained by filtering the vector name and clicking on the map link. This query also allows filtering of antibiotic resistance markers or vector type. If a map is stored as a PDF in eSystems, it can be obtained just as easily as if it were available on the web. Simply click on the map link and then open the PDF of interest. eSystems Electronic Laboratory Notebook promotes collaboration. The to-do list is a tool that helps the scientist to stay organized and efficient. In this example, one investigator, Melissa, collaborates with Ramil. Melissa easily finds her experiment sent to her for review through the to-do list. Her to-do list has 10 open work items. Filtering settings can be saved in the same way as session list. In this example, ready for review sessions of a particular project are filtered. If the user thinks some changes need to be made to the experiment, they can send it for corrections. eSystems generates automatic email notification that includes all information necessary to identify the experiment in question. When Ramil logs into eSystems, he can easily locate the session for corrections in his to-do list. Before experimental data can be found, it must be entered into the system. We'll show that recording data is just as simple as finding it. Electronic signatures record who did what and when. Callista eSystems Electronic Laboratory Notebook stores data and presents it in the same format in which it was created. eSystems can route a session to individuals or to a group of collaborators, automatically notifying them of available work items.